Want to use Meta AI on WhatsApp? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily use Meta AI on WhatsApp. First thing first, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once updated, move into the application WhatsApp and log into your specific account. Once you're in the home page of WhatsApp, you need to click on this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, it will lead you to your Meta AI on WhatsApp. Now from here you can chat with Meta AI. You can ask them anything and they will answer it to you. Let's say I want new music to listen. Simply enter it or type in this section. Once you have sent, wait for a while for them to generate. And there you can see that all the new music is showing it to you. Not only this, you can also ask them to generate the photo. You have to give a prompt in this section. Let me enter it as generate an image of dog crying and then send it to them. Wait for a while for the process to be completed. And there you can see that according to your prompt, the image has been generated by Meta AI. So this way you can ask them anything you want to and then they will provide it to you. That's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.